Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your country on Xbox account. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step, you simply need to open website Xbox. As you can see that I already open xbox.com and I already log in into my account. Then you need to click on your account and click on my Microsoft account from here. So once you are on your Microsoft account, so it will take few seconds to load. Okay, and then you need to click on your account name from here, and here is your info. Then you can see that preferred, so country or region. Click on edit profile info from here. Okay, and then you need to verify your email. Okay, so I receive a code on my email, so let me check and put that here. So let me enter the code. That is 6881. Hit verify. Okay. uh, so it will take few seconds to sign in, so let me complete that step also. Okay, and here you can see that country and region, so you simply need to change like Libya and click on save. So this is a process by which you can change your country on Xbox account. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, you must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.